Hello students, welcome you to this video. In this video we are going to see objective questions, MCQs from Applied Statistics, chapter number 9. So a lot of theory part there, so I'm encouraging you to read the textbook because any line can be framed as a question and a lot of 2 mark, 3 mark questions they can ask. For theory part it's one of the very important topic. Okay, so read the textbook thoroughly. Now just we'll try to answer the questions given in your book. The first question, a time series is a set of data recorded periodically, weekly, successive points of time. So here the correct answer is time series is a set of data recorded periodically, weekly, successive points of time. Everything is correct only. So the correct option is what? All the above. Next one, the time series consists of how many components? Not only knowing how many, what are the components? That's important. For 2 mark, 3 mark, you need that also. Time series consists of, secular trend, seasonal variation, cyclic variation, and irregular variation. These are the components, okay? But here they didn't ask what are, how many, just to count it 4. So the correct answer is 4 components, second option, okay? Now let's move on to the third question. The components of a time series which is attached to short-term fluctuation, secular trend, seasonal, cyclical, no, irregular variation. So that is only for a short-term fluctuation. Okay. So question number 4. Factors responsible for seasonal variations. Factors responsible for seasonal variation. Factors. What are the factors? Weather, festivals, social customs, all these are factors responsible for seasonal variation. So here the answer is what? All the above. Next one, the additive model of the time series with the components. Additive model, the name itself you can see, additive model, all addition, right? So no multiplication, only all addition. Y equal to T plus S plus C plus I. Remember this and remember the letters. Y stands for original value. Then T, trend value. S is seasonal component. Then C is cyclic component. And I is irregular component. So your correct answer is C. Now listen to question number 6. Least square method of fitting a trend is the most exact one, right? So the correct answer is A. Next question number 7. The value of B in the trend line Y equal to A plus BX is always positive, always negative, either positive or negative, 0. So the value of B, it is either positive or negative. Method of least square. So we get normal equations, you solve it. When you solve, you get A value and B value, right? So B value may be positive or negative. Question number 8. The component of a time series attached to long-term variation is trended as secular variation. So B is the correct answer. Question number 9. The seasonal variation means the variation occurring within a number of years, within a year, within a month, within a week. So seasonal variation. So these are the seasons, right? So it is not number of years. It is not within a month. It's not within a week. It is within a year. Okay. Question number 10. Another name of consumers price index is cost of living index, right? Another name of consumer price index is also known as cost of living index. Question number 11. Question number 11, you see. Cost of living at two different cities can be compared with the help of consumer price index, value index, volume index, unweighted index. So the correct answer is consumer price index. Now next question number 12. Last Pierre's index number is 110. Parshi's index number is 108. Fisher's ideal index number. Fisher's ideal index number is the geometrical mean of last Pierre's and Parshi's index numbers, right? So geometric mean. Arithmetic mean means you add them and divide by 2 if there are two numbers. Add them and divide by 2. Geometric mean means multiply them and you take square root, okay? So here the Fisher's ideal index number is geometric mean of 110 and 108. So that is root of 110 into 108. So you can use calculator, so there won't be any problem. 11880. When you take square root 108.9, but the option is not given, but the nearest value 109. Okay, so it is approximately equal to 109. So take D as your answer. Most commonly used index number is volume index number, value index number, price index number, symbol index number, price index number, last year price index number, Parshi's price index number, Fisher's price index number. All these are price index numbers only. So these are commonly used index number. Now question number 14. Consumer price index are obtained by Parshi's formula, Fisher's formula, Marshall Edgeworth formula, family budget formula. So that is the correct answer. Family budget method formula. Consumer price index is obtained by family budget method. So option number D. Question number 15. Which of the following index numbers satisfy the time reversal test? What is time reversal test? Original index number I, suppose I'm taking, or you take P, whatever it is I'm taking, I is the original index number, I10 or I01. 0 is the base year, 1 is the current year. Time reversal, so time year to reverse. The base year you converted into current year and current year converted into base year, and what index number you are getting, that is I10. Multiply that, you have to get what? 1. Then you say it satisfies what? Time reversal test. Factor reversal test, factors you have to revise, right? You have to reverse the factors, you have to get sigma P1 Q1 by sigma P0 Q0, right? So that you remember. The two tests you remember, okay? One is time reversal test, another one is factor reversal test. And Fisher's index number only satisfies all these tests. That is why we call Fisher's index number as Fisher's ideal index number, okay? So that is one of the important questions. Which are the following index numbers satisfy time reversal test? Fisher's index number satisfy time reversal test. Also is satisfy factor reversal test. Question number 16. While computing a weighted index, the current period quantities are used in the Parshi's method. Okay. Now, question number 17. The quantities that can be numerically measured can be plotted on a P chart, C chart, X bar chart, NP chart, X bar chart is the correct answer. Now, sum number 18. How many causes of variation will affect the quality of a product? So what are the causes they can ask? Here only how many. What are the causes? Are you remembering? One is chance cause. Chance causes, or we call it as random causes, right? Another one is assignable. Assignable causes. So there are two causes here. How many only they ask, right? But you remember what are the two causes, okay? Now question number 19. Variations due to natural disorder is known as a random cause, right? Variations due to natural disorder is known as random cause. Question number 20. The assignable cause can occur due to poor raw material, unskilled labor, faulty machines. Assignable cause, all these are true only. So your answer is all of them. Next question number 21. A typical control chart consists of three things, right? You would have drawn the control charts, right? X bar chart, R chart. So we draw center line, right? We draw CL. then upper control limit or upper control line, UCL, and LCL, right? Lower control line. So if then you plot, if the points lie inside UCL and LCL, upper control line and lower control line, then we say the process is under control, right? Suppose some point lie outside, then we say the process is out of control, right? But here the question is a typical control chart consists of all these three. So the correct answer is C, CL, UCL and LCL. Question number 22. X bar chart is a attribute control chart, variable control chart. It's a variable control chart. X bar chart is a variable control chart. Now question number 23. R is calculated using, R is what? R is the range, right? Already in the lower class you would have studied. Range is largest minus smallest. So maximum minus minimum. X max minus X min. Maximum minus minimum. So question number 24. The upper control limits for X bar chart is given by, so the formula you have to study, upper control UCL for X bar chart is given by X bar plus A2 R bar. So C is the correct answer, okay? So related all the formula you have to study. LCL for R chart, LCL for R chart is given by D3 R bar, no R double bar, okay? D3 R bar, that is LCL. LCL for R chart. It is D3 R bar. Suppose if they ask UCL, they can ask anything, no? So D4 you write, right? D4 R bar. Then CL if they ask, it is R bar, right? So remember all these things. So here the correct answer is D. So more important, read the textbook thoroughly, then you can answer any question, okay? We'll continue in the next video.